The Intel NUC 9 Pro kit, specifically the NUC 9V7QNX1, is a compelling option for those seeking a compact yet capable computer. This mini PC packs a punch, despite its small size. Let's dive into the details. Powered by an Intel processor with a base clock speed of 2.6 GHz, the NUC 9 Pro handles everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, checking emails, or working on documents, performance is smooth and responsive. The integrated Intel UHD graphics 630 provides decent visuals for general use and casual gaming. Don't expect to run the latest AAA titles, but older games and less demanding titles should be playable at lower settings. The 64 GB of storage might seem limited, but it's enough for the operating system and a few essential applications. Consider using external storage or cloud services for larger files. One of the standout features is its compact design. With dimensions of 10.8 by 5.9 by 9.37 inches, it takes up minimal desk space and can even be mounted behind a monitor. The 3-pound weight makes it incredibly portable. The NUC 9 Pro also boasts wide voltage compatibility, 100-240V, making it suitable for international use. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, so you can get up and running right out of the box. While the NUC 9 Pro is a solid performer, it's important to be realistic about its limitations. The integrated graphics aren't ideal for demanding graphical tasks or serious gaming. Also, the limited storage capacity might require some creative storage solutions. Overall, the Intel NUC 9 Pro kit is a great choice for a compact and versatile PC. It's perfect for everyday computing, media consumption, and light productivity tasks. If you're looking for a space-saving powerhouse, the NUC 9 Pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.